Guys, now we're gonna do for the day 63 lab of the 100 Days of DevOps series. So let me check the lab title. The title is Deploy Iron-gallery app on Kubernetes. So we had to deploy an app. So okay, let me click the start button. So let me go to fdraw.com. So we will wait right here. Okay, great. So I will copy all of these given instruction, and then I will paste right here. Okay, great. So here there is an iron-gallery app that the Nautilus DevOps team was developing. They have recently customized the app and are going to deploy the same on the Kubernetes cluster. So below you can find more details. So here there are much more details. So many requirements. So if we do step by step, it really takes time. So but let me find in the Google. So before we create that, here the namespace and deployment, and here also the new deployment again for the database. Here we had to create database service, and here we had to create another service for iron-gallery app. So I think we can write all of these services and deployment and namespace together in a YAML file, and then we will apply that YAML file. So that way looks much more easier for this lab. So I will create a file. So I will give the let me get iron-gallery iron-gallery. So and then with YAML extension is a 1EML. Okay, so within this file I will write every single YAML codes relating with these given requirements, but I will find in the Google directly. I don't want to write line by line. So how to create in Kubernetes. So this is just only for namespace, but I want to write everything within a file. So let me copy from the top to down every single details. So here I will paste right here. Okay, so I will copy all of these YAML codes and I will paste right there. And if there is something that I need to fix again, modify it again, I will do it. So I will copy this and I will paste right here. And let me check step by step to be much more accurate. So here we have to create a namespace. So the first layer is for the namespace. So namespace name is iron-namespace-nautilus. Great, that's correct. Okay, now we keep going. So deployment is the kind is deployment. We need to get the correct kind. So metadata name is iron-gallery-deployment-nautilus. Great. So under the same namespace, right? So that's why we need to get the same namespace again here from this namespace. And then labels is run is iron-gallery here. Great. So for this requirement, replica count is 1, right? So selector here, mesh labels, run is iron-gallery, again the same. And template is run should be iron-gallery under metadata. So under metadata right here, run has to be iron-gallery. Great. So for other remaining specifications, container name is here iron-gallery-container-nautilus. That's also correct. How about the image name? Image version is also correct. So we had to use exact image name. So and how about the resources? So memory usage is 100 MI. Great. CPU amount is 50 M. So volume mount pad is here. Volume mount name is CONFIG. Correct. How about for mount pad? Mount pad is also here. /us or /share /engine8/html/data. Great. So how about for second mount, volume mount? So the second volume mount name is images. So here this time we need to correct name images, and mount pad is also different here. And then we upload here. We need to get correct mount path, and here is now for the volumes. So volume is config, right? Here, first volume name should be config, and give it empty directory. And the second volume name is images, correct, and also the same empty directory. Great. So we finished for the first this deployment. In the second requirement, okay, let me check the third requirement. So here also create the deployment. So this deployment is mainly for database, right? So that's why iron-db-deployment-nautilus. So for iron-db. So under the same namespace. So here, so we create the deployment and the iron-db-deployment-nautilus, and then we get the same namespace like above. And the label is db name is MariaDB. Great. Specification replica count is 1. Selector mesh labels is db, right? db name is MariaDB, and the template labels db should be MariaDB under metadata. Okay, great. Here, that's for the. This is for the template labels. This is for the mesh labels. Great. The container name is irondb container nautilus. Great here. And image name is kodekloud /irondb 2.0. Great. So environment is right here. My SQL database name is a value is database underscore blog, and then password and root password is we can get any complex password right here. So I will get this S3 secure root password, and then gallery change. So user is my SQL user name is also, you can get any value right here, gallery underscore admin. So here I don't need to change, that's fine. So volume mount name is db here, and then mount pad is this one. Great, right here. And then volumes name is db again, but directory is empty directory. Okay, now let me check this one for the service, database service. So service name is iron-db-service-nautilus under the same namespace, and we have to configure for other specifications. Selector db. So selector db name is MariaDB. Great. Protocol type is TCP right here, and port is target port and port. Here port and target port should be 3306. So that's why here we are already correct. Great. So here cluster type is cluster IP. Here we should not forget this here, cluster IP. That's a type for the service type. So okay, this is the final one. Here also for the gallery app. So iron-gallery. So service name is iron-gallery-service-nautilus under the same namespace, and this time type is NodePort right here, and protocol type is TCP. This time we have to give the port 80 for both port and target port. Here port is 80 and also target port is 80, but NodePort number is 32678 right here, and selector's run value is iron-gallery. Right, so now everything is perfect. So let me escape from here, escape and save it. So let me apply apply -f and iron-gallery.yaml. So let me run this. So finally let me check let me verify the status running this command. So here now we are running 2 ports, so every port is actively running right here. So this is the 2 service, Okay, great. One is for database service, one is for gallery-nautilus. Gallery-service-nautilus here is the IP address. You can copy this IP address. And then this is two deployments. One is for database, one is for gallery app. And then here is two replicas, right? We create two replicas, right? That's why here you will see two replicas. So let me set with this NodePort IP address, http:// and I will paste that IP address. Here you will see that gallery content. Here you will see the photo. So this is the HTML page. I hope so. Oh, it's too much right now. Oh, yeah. Okay, so let me try to enter in the browser. But here I think we don't see any result, any response. But on this terminal we get that related response from the gallery app. So this is a cluster IP. So this is deployment database. Okay, great. So now let me check it out and click confirm. Yeah, that's it. So we successfully did it right here. So okay, so I will start here. Alright, so no issue phase, submit. Alright, so guys, thanks for watching. I will catch you in the next coming video again.